Welcome back to another Gemini Jets video. Today we're unboxing the British Airways Airbus A320neo. Picked this up in my local plane shop here in Burbank, California. Let's go ahead and take a look. I don't go too much into detail about what's on the box. It's just a box. Me, it's more about the detail on the plane. And here it is. It looks really good. One of my favorite planes is the Airbus A320s, 19s, and 21s. I collect a lot of these Airbus planes. This one looks really good. Alright, so let's take a deeper look into this. After a little bit of messing around with the gear does roll very well. It's not wobbly. Everything looks good. Everything is very, very clean. Beautiful plane right here. The livery is amazing. It's very simple, but it looks good. I love that green inline on the engine. It looks clean. The paint job looks very clean. Sometimes Gemini Jets has issues with paint or the gear, or sometimes taking it out of the box, it's already in pieces. That can be very annoying. But I've had pretty good experiences in the past recently with good models right out of the box. Take a closer look here up by the front. Very, very nice. British Airways cargo door right there. Take a look at the wing up here. It's crazy, the writing on the wings, the little black writing. If you actually zoom in with the camera closely, you can actually see that there is actually writing on there. It's crazy that they would put that much detail into the wing to actually put wording that small on there. If they could just get their landing gear right, I mean, these would be 100% totally amazing models. If you're on the fence about buying this British Airways A320neo, I definitely would recommend buying it, especially before they're gone. These probably are going to go up in value once they're completely sold out. It's I think actually a lot of the Airbuses are going to be retiring to the new Airbus A220, 100 and 300. Those planes seem to be a little bit better on fuel. So I know Delta's been transforming most of their Airbus A319s and 20s and 21s into the Airbus A220, the new one. Alright, let's take a look here on the top. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit on the wing. See all that right there? There's actually words on that. Incredible how they do that. I've never actually flown on an A320. That's the video for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick little review.